They're doing delivery, man. We get it straight to the room. That's pretty boss. That's not our normal style. Breakfast served.
Puss-Puss ain't got shit around, they can't shit me now. Big strap and shit, then strap up Puss-Puss. Puss-Puss, yeah, do fuckery, you know.
Puss-Puss, you doing fuckery?
Yes, then put strap on Puss-Puss. You know, Puss-Puss.
He chained up Puss-Puss. You're right, Puss-Puss.
Hey, Puss-Puss. Puss-Puss. Hey, Puss-Puss.
Go see Mokko, Puss-Puss. Come here.
Come get high. Puss-Puss, you don't want herb.
Puss-Puss, you want some herb?
Puss-Puss like bloodcleet picture, man. And Puss-Puss. And put sitting on Puss-Puss. And that Puss-Puss like little tongue long out and sitting.
Was he just hanging out watching you?
Hey, why Puss-Puss? And then something there, and Puss-Puss skin out the mouth. Wow.
Yeah, I'm 201. All right. This is the hotel cat. Yeah.
And I do fuckery, that's why I'm not putting the neck around him and chain him up.
They don't want him breathe. Then work on him.
All right.
They want to hear, I hope they.
They can eat out here, yeah. Why not? Sure. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's the Callaloo one? Well, that's for you, Mokko.
One man, you are 201.
Oh, no, I'm 201. Oh, that's for me?
201.
Oh, there's 2 chicken, too? Yeah, we're going to hit the road very shortly, but hope you have an awesome day.
Yeah. Have a good day, man. We'll make some beautiful picture. Woo! Yeah, man. Big up Dan. Birdie father. Up there every time. Up there, man. Bless up, man. To Birdie. And him Dan, man. Actually, I hope you have a good weekend in Kingston. All over in Kingston, you know. Have a pleasant day, pleasant weekend. Yeah, man. Respect.
Shred it. You said you just picked it with Ratty.
Yeah. I'll show you how to do it now.
Okay.
Right this way. I rub it so. And the grain come out. See it there?
Yeah.
See white grain there?
Yeah.
This one. And when it come out now you wash it off in a bag and put it on the zinc for dry. That's how we soak it, but it's not done rub out.
How long do you have to soak it for?
No, by tomorrow it wash out.
Oh, really?
Tomorrow.
And by then it's ready to just put in the sun?
Yeah, just put nice
so
sun.
Very quick. That's just one day, really.
Yeah.
Ratty, you picked this today?
Not today. I find you leave here from where there.
So a few days ago.
Yeah. Ratty climb on the bucket.
Yeah,
Climb on the
Ratty.
tree.
Climb the tree
Yeah.
and pick it too.
Good man.
Birdie say I leave tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tomorrow morning.
Oh, yeah.
So do the coffee beans just sink to the bottom?
Yes, mother.
And everything else stays up?
Yes, and when it come out, the trash then leave.
Okay.
Trash them I go leave, Mato. I pay a bean this in a Mato.
Yeah.
This one.
Nice organic.
Yeah.
Tastes sweet too. We saw enough coffee up in the Blue Mountains
Yeah.
where they look pretty ripe
Come, take
everywhere.
your out of water. My ball drop down in there. Where take my to ball for? Leave it, Ratty. Leave it. Tomorrow when you come from school, we take it out. Leave it. Not drop them out.
Someone a person.
Yes, me know. Take out your no man.
I'm not for sure some. No, just for me.
I want to put it on the line, say no more chuck. No more price. Just a tablet you want. No more chuck.
Yeah.
Can not chuck him I go learn.
True.
I'm in not drive them at school yesterday.
No. You can't go to school, go do your homework and do chuck.
Lie. I lie material, Mato.
Mato beat Pitney, you know, say nobody with Mato.
Some white.
So you have dirty clothes in them all too?
Some, but because we go away tomorrow for a couple
Oh.
nights.
Yeah.
So when we come back Monday.
Yeah.
No, Sunday, me give to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when you come back now, then you have to so then dry and turn brown.
Okay. Redemption. Ah, there you go. Derp. What happened? You ugly.
It's kind of creepy.
Score? What'd you get?
Some beetroot
Yeah.
and some yam. Potato, I go cook some food tonight.
Oh yeah, and the
Some
cabbage, carrots.
Carrot too.
See what drink we're gonna get?
Yeah.
Yes. Do not slam. All right, Rock, we're good. Success. Yeah. My bag is so heavy right now. I wonder what's inside. Oh, you know, just some supplies. One. We met some very cool people who gave us lots of coconut. 2, 3, 4. Oh, I only had 5 in there. Felt like I had 12. And the guy gave us 3 soursop too. Doret's kitchen.
Yes, Mokko.
Taylor, look at that. Come look at the chicken, Brandon.
You gotta see the chicken.
Matthew, if we get your phone and come.
Are you making fried chicken or doing something else with it?
No, we are going to throw the gravy pan there.
All right.
That's
Stew-
how my brown them, Matthew.
More of a stew chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Oh, it dries really fast. Blue Mountain coffee.
Yes, sir.
Fresh from yard.
Yes, sir. I'm mainly gonna do some German.
Morning. Surf day. Finally. See you guys later. That's up. You gonna come in with me this time?
No, sir. And the surf?
Yeah. Well, I keep trying. I'll keep asking you anyway. All right. Acted, so I'm not worried about here. I'd be scared otherwise. But right, here's our squad. Bro, got the what?
The beef soup.
Beef soup, Morant Bay.
Beef soup with pepper. That's funny.
Mokko. Nice.
Fried bunny, pepper, and beef soup.
Oh, dude, you got a hot one, and you don't like that.
Yeah.
So, danger.
No, they don't burst it. It's just really nice. I mean, I have to fuck it up now, yeah? But I not fuck it up. Keep it real.
What's the name of this place again?
Standard.
Standard, alright. And then Brandon, aka B-Roll.
We got stewed beef and rice and peas.
Yeah, and welcome to Jamaica. I guess it's Brandon's first day here.
It is my first meal too.
Yes. And we've been hanging at the beach all morning, so we're all hungry and ready to go. And
I'm sure mine's coming up soon too, and I got the same.
It's amazing.
Yes. Yes, sir.
See them man raw thing.
Sorry, high grade mass?
High grade mash in them, Irish mash. I eat cartel say, I wear buck up in a Yeah man, drink up and chang up.
Yeah, but the two in there, we are going. From that day we know the boat, you know.
Yeah,
I come, we come back, you know. Yeah, come, we come back.
Water and come back and serve them out and boil them again and drink up and chang up.
And then these on top?
Yeah man, put some lime and rub them.
Put, squeeze 2 lime in the water.
Yeah, in the water, make it go and soak them. When you come back by Sunday morning, you just flip them off and wash them off, everything ready. You see me?
With the soap.
Yeah man, like a fab soap too. I'm going to see if I run out some of them there, because I don't go back and see, but I still have a little fish them. That's a little 5 days I don't have them fish, because I want to go back and see still now, but you know, sometimes I come and see and I find much, you know.
Put the lime in there.
Lime in that. So this is dog rice, big up. Everything Chris.
And you have $20.
Huh?
You have $20.
20, yeah.
Yeah, give you one of them scanner.
How many you need for the people?
How much are we? How much are we?
I don't eat nice.
Yeah. 3?
How much? Give it that one.
This one?
Yeah. How much that? This is one, this one is
Yeah, too good for now.
Next week I'm sitting.